My name's Sam, and I'm an up-and-coming entrepreneur. Not there yet, but we're going to get there. I'm here today at Speakers and Leaders because I've struggled with public speaking. Ever since I was a small boy, it's been one of those things that has scared me to stand on a stage and speak in front of people. But since doing this course and going through the 2 days, at least I've had the courage to get up on stage and speak to people. Now, I'm not the finished article yet, I'm not there yet, I'm not perfect, but through what they say is keeping on practicing, I know that I'm going to improve with my public speaking, and it will help me in my future entrepreneurial endeavours. So I want to say a big thank you to Javi and Lily. Thank you to you guys for listening, and thank you to Tom for introducing me. And I hope to see you guys on the course. Yeah.